Okay, this is the mobile car doctor, and this is a mirror. I've taken this cap piece off the outside here, and I'm going to show you how to replace that part right there. So all you have to do is watch in reverse, because I've already got it off. It took me a minute to figure it out, but that's the piece you want to take out from the inside. So you do have to go on the inside to do it. It's not really that bad. There's a wire that comes from the back plug harness part. You disconnect that. But right now, I'm going to take that Phillips out. That Phillips is coming out. There we go. I got the Phillips out. You need a really small Phillips. Okay, now that you've got that out, if you notice down here there's a little arm. See a plastic arm on the green plastic? So now that Phillips is out, you just grab this and pull back towards you, and you got to free the little lock piece right down here. Now watch, see when I pull, it sticks on it. See it sticking down there, it's rocking, that little piece right there. So you take your finger and lift up on it. See, I'm lifting it, lift it up, and pull on it. Then, this whole assembly, watch the video, you can see it easier what you're looking at. Okay. So then the whole assembly slides out. You kind of just jiggle it back and forth. There it is. Now we're replacing it because it's cracked right there. So hold still. Here's the other one. Now this is another used one, but it doesn't have a crack on it. So we're going to slide that one in, same way you slid the other one out. Just put it in there like that. Go on down where that little plastic tab is, and it should snap right into place. See it? Snapped right in there. Then you put the Phillips screw back on. The screw will help hold it. Now this one has been JB welded in the back. You might get a brand new one. They're pretty expensive. And if I were you, I would test your new one before you actually mounted everything back up. So there we go. That's all connected. And now look up here. You take this side, and then you slide it right on back. Make sure these wires go in, just like so. Get it all in there, all the way to the back, and you'll notice it'll seat right on there. Hey, no problem at all. And so there's that, and then you can see in the back, there's a little hole back there. It'll line up right there with that one. See where you're pulling it? That's a lock tab. That lock tab will snap in too when you pull forward on it. But first, we're going to plug this in and test it. So you grab the little wire, and we're going to plug that wire in right into there. Alright, bear with me just for a sec.
That's it right here by doing this.
There we go. So I've got the wire plugged in.
It's working.
And now we're going to see if it works. Yep, there it goes. It's working. So now that it's working, here's the lock tab up here on top. If you line up the little lock tabs and just pull forward on the plastic, just pull forward on it, it'll lock this assembly back in where it goes. You get that lined up. Remember that little square thing's got to lock up in the back. It's got to line up. And then now I'm just going to pull on this, and it should lock that top piece right back there. See it? See where I pull on it? It should bring that over and stoutly connect it. And then on the bottom piece has to come in too. And all of this comes into play when you pull. It'll snap right in. So there's the bottom. The bottom snapped in. Now the top. I'm going to just pull real hard. I'll be right back. Okay, I mean, I had to give it a real good pull. You see, it's locked in. And there you go, see? It's locked in. It's all together in one unit. So, light still works. Everything's still good. And just do in reverse of what I'm doing now, because that's how I was able to get this. Oh, that goes to the back. Okay, so here comes this ring. This ring is the first thing you take off. So you find out that this ring isn't too hard to put in. It kind of hides all the ugliness right in there. So look right over here. You'll see that tab. See that tab right there? Yeah, that's a tab. Well, it's not going to go on the tab. It's going to go in the tab. So you kind of just put it right there and push it into the green. Just push right around inside the green until you reach up here on the top. And it's easier to pull back. If you pull back on this, it'll pop in the bottom easier. There it goes, and then you just let go of it. Snap. It's in. Once it's in, we'll move to the next step. So when you're putting this back in this little tab, you don't really need to concentrate on that. But this corner over here, let me wipe the screen off. There we go. This corner right here, you want to set that down inside in an angle, like facing this way, in an angle. Get this in first and then push it in, because it'll have a lot of pressure on this plastic. And just work your way all the way over here. Leave this piece open, like I said. This will be the last piece you put in. So it's snapped in now. No problem at all. Now the mirror. Now on the electronic mirror, here's the mirror here. You'll notice that there's 2 wires on the back. Not really much to worry about, but you see the thin part is facing up. The thin part of this mirror is facing up. When I took it off, I made sure it was up, and then I put the wires just like that. Just so I know that the bottom one right here, that bottom one gets the white one, the top one gets the black one. So face the mirror up. Or the red one, I mean. The top one gets the red one. So let me plug those in. So it's going to look like that. Now I marked this last time I took this mirror off, because I had to replace the mirror itself. We had to paint it. But there's the white, goes to the white, and the red goes on the top. This facing up. Now you can turn it at an angle, and this is for the heated mirror, I guess. So you don't have to do much here. This round thing right here will lock it into place when you get it around it, and then there's this little thing right here that little lock thing will go in. Once you put that in there, it'll just snap in. You hear that? That's all. Just give it a good push. There you go, and you're snapped in. So now we're going to test the mirror, make sure the mirror works. There it goes. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, adjust the mirror, sir. After that, just wipe the mirror off. Check the blinker again. Yep, there you go. Beautiful. Okay, good to go. This customer here, I charged him $25 to put that in. But you know, a lot of places, they'll charge you different money, or they'll just say, oh, we have to replace the whole thing. But if you're going to do it yourself, that's why you go to my videos. Save you some money. That's what it's all about, right? Alright, so that's how you do it. And when you first start this job, tilt your mirror all the way in so you can see the outside of it here, and then just start pulling on it right here, and it should just bring this little lock out. It'll snap right out, and then you can start off where you saw me. Okay? Alright, thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a whole bunch of little jobs always going on. He's in there playing and having fun with it now. It's working great. Alright, have a good day.